Bibigyan ko na dati.
Naku, kita yung ano, nakikita yung ano.
Daddy play, daddy play, daddy play.
Maya. Di pa eh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sabi ko sa'yo yun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Lagi naman yung happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sabi ko magkakulap-kulap eh. Ayoko niya.
Happy birthday to you.
Nagbibili pa siya akin. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle.
Blow the candle, Mom.
Blow the candle.
Take a wish, Mom.
Yeah, make a wish
Make a wish first.
Make a wish first.
Take a wish.
Good health for everyone. That's my wish.
Yeah!
Bumili pa si Mami ng cake.
Why you crying?
Mami, walang idea.
Mom, why you crying? It's your birthday.
Yeah, because I was surprised. Diba? I was surprised. Dad, magkano to, Dad?
Secret.
Secret, it's priceless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Kiss me,
you.
kiss me, guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Love you. Anak, kiss Mami. Kiss Mami.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Daddy, thank you, Dad.
Welcome.
Ang mahal-mahal naman itong ano.
Minsan lang yan.
Mahal. Hindi ako lagi. Dati ano ba, bumili ako ng cake. Sabi ko, okay na ako dito. Sa mga bata. Anong mahal niya? Secret. Sale to, Mami. Sale to.
It's your cake.
Sale to, Mami. Hindi ka natin sale to. Saan kayo bumili? Sa loob.
Happy your cake.
Dad, thank you so much, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
So much.
I love you, guys. Daddy, ito yung tinatanong ko. Magkano to?
Wala yan, priceless yan.
Secret nga.
Mom!
No. Daddy, wag mo sasabihin.
Why for you? Why is the same?
Yeah, it's the same flowers though, Dad. Look!
Yeah, it's the same.
Daddy, wag mo sasabihin yung ano kasi it's guess, Mom. You're not allowed to say the price. Eh, kasi isang linggo ulam natin to! No, Mom. It's ano, minsan lang yan. Diba, nag-i-English ako. Wala namang... Isang linggo ulam natin to! Minsan lang naman po yan, Mom. Just now. Mali ang English niyo. About this one?
Dad.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, guys.
And this is your yummy cake for
Kaya pa ako na yun dito. Ate.
Dad.
for keeping us the best, Mom.
Secret.
But
Really?
this, yeah.
See, I bought a cheap cake because, you know, this is good. We're happy. I'm happy to that cake.
Yeah,
God, napakamahal naman ito. Daddy.
Minsan lang naman.
Mom,
Ito, below the cake
what
to.
you want chocolate cake?
Oh, below si Ervin doon ng cake po. Si Ervin ng cake.
Mom, me too, okay? You need
Oh,
taste.
si Ervin, let me taste daw.
Yummy, taste this
I
one.
was surprised na. Na-surprise ako.
Ito.
Bawal.
Mom, eat it! It's so yummy!
Ito, teka lang. Ami, akala mo ikaw lang na-surprise. Ako din na-surprise na ako.
But Mom, it's
Wala
your
akong alam
birthday
yan.
today.
So, bumili ako ng cake sa Carrefour.
Wow.
Kasi, sabi ko, okay na ako dito. Kaya ng mga bata. Oh my God, I was shocked. Kami kanina pa kami nag-out dito, inip na ako.
Ah!
Anak, see, I have flower. See, I have.
Ano, let's go na.
Ang dami na ng damit dito, wala itong daan. Ewan po.
Wow!
Let's go na.
Let's go to Abu Dhabi.